Welcome, nice trading bros and ladies. Welcome back to another incredible day. Welcome back here on my channel. And before we start, I have to drink a little bit of coffee. Okay, tastes very good. So, guys, ladies, welcome back here on my channel. And in this video, we want to talk about Jasmy coin today. In one of the last comments, I got the question what I think by the end of 2022, what will be the price for Jasmy coin? So if you're interested in this, in my opinion, make sure that you stay to the very end, and later on we will discuss and talk about this question. So, but for right now, let's jump into the chart for today. And look what the chart will tell us right now. By the way, if you are new here on this channel, go smash the subscribe button right now and click on the bell icon that you will always get a notification if I upload a new video. Also, right now, leave a thumbs up, leave a like here, make some noise for the YouTube algorithm. That would really support me. Thank you very much. But right now, let's start with the topic. So here on we start on the 4-hourly, and actually you can see that we are still forming probably a double bottom, so a W pattern. So that is actually something that could still be forming and is still intact. So, but we have to be very cautious and careful right now, because as you can see, we are making lower highs. So therefore, we don't have to take out this low here. That would be actually pretty bad, because then Jasmy coin will be in a clear downtrend. If Jasmy coin will take out this low here, that is around the green line at 0.0170. So for right now, it doesn't look pretty good, but it's also not too bad. Oops. So right now, here you can draw a downtrend line, maybe like this. So that is in a clear downtrend. Also maybe like this. So then you can say, oh wow, maybe this is a falling wedge. And if you Google falling wedge, that is actually a bullish pattern. It is more likely to break to the upside than to the downside. I think the ratio is 70% to the upside and 30% to the downside. So the price target is actually here at the beginning of this pattern. So that could bring Jasmy coin to 0.0284. Sounds like a phone number. That could be a potential pump from a breakout of around 30%. If it breaks up, from the moment Jasmy is trading right now, that would be 45%. So maybe it's possible. In one of my last videos, I draw here a Fibonacci retracement level. But first, let me clear the chart a little bit. I'm painting really like I am Picasso or something like that. So, okay, maybe it looks right now a little better. So, on the Fibonacci retracement level, you can see it broke actually through every level and is right now sitting at the 786 Fibonacci level. So if you zoom in, you can see this pretty good. But right now, this level really has to hold. Otherwise, this is here the next support level. And as I told you, this is the last swing low. So this level really has to hold. And if it will come down more, that would be pretty bad. So right now, maybe it will found here at this level, this support line, some support, and maybe try again to break through the golden pocket. If it will break through this one, that could be a pretty good moment for a long position. So if you want to trade, check out my YouTube channel. Go in the description of the video and you will find some links for Femex and Bybit. And you can, of course, use these links. You will get a bonus depending on your first initial deposit. So, also leave a thumbs up right now, activate the bell, and before you do this, subscribe to my channel. That would really support me. So let's take a quick look. Okay, we have a little bit of time. On CoinMarketCap, let's go to Jasmy. Then you can see the market cap is right now at 92 million. The circulating supply is at 10%. If the total supply would be here at 100%, so the max supply was in circulation, then the fully diluted market cap would be nearly to 1 billion. So that is probably 10x. So the question was, what do I think would be the price for Jasmy coin by the end of 2022? I told you and showed you pretty often this potential massive big cup and handle pattern. So if this would really play out, that would be approximately 2000 to 2200%. So a 22x. Is this really possible? If you look at the market cap, a 10x could happen. Right now it's actually not too low, the cap, but also not too high. So in my opinion, I would say something between 200 to 500%. So a 2 to 5x, maybe also a 8x is possible. I would say something in this area between 0.1 and 0.18. Something in this range is